Welcome to Bucket Women, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is a celebration. Another lock sporter has reached a milestone that they would like to celebrate with us by putting on a giveaway. This time, it's Jack Fox. Congratulations, mate. 100 videos. Awesome body of work. Great content. You want to understand locks more, you want to know what's inside locks, you want to know how to pick them, check out Jack's channel. I will leave a link in the description below to his channel and to the giveaway video. Now what Jack wants us to do is to pick a lock at our skill level, and if we've got a channel. If we don't have a channel, then we need to enter another way, and he will tell you what that is in his video. You'll find the link in the description. So I'm going to pick this one here. This is one of them. This is what I got from Paul Springer. I've been wanting one of these for a while, ever since I saw him on Down Under Monkey's channel. This is a US SET. US SET. US stands for United States Military, and SET means this belongs to a set of padlocks. This is a master lock made in Mexico. There's your numbers, there's your keyway. Is this just called DG, I wonder? Laminated. I'm not sure what it's actually called. It's not made in Mexico, it's assembled in Mexico. So gather up all the bits and pull them all together. There's our bidding wheel. That's pretty aggressive. It's nice bidding for a master lock. I love how even the keys brass, love the chain. Okay, don't spring back. It's key retaining, locked up. This core, look at that. What's that? 2 mil, 1.5 mil of slop. That's just tragic. Anyway. Adds to the fun of picking. It increases the security of the lock because it makes it harder to get into because of all that moving around. Start off with one of these. Try and go in a little bit closer. Little click on one. Oh, I can see it's going to be the flying tension wrench. That warding's interesting. Don't think that's standard warding. Standard keyway for a master lock. Quite an angle. I've had some people ask me why I pick in hand. It's because I wanted to learn how to pick in the wild, and you don't get to sit down, you don't get to have advice. So that's why I trained myself initially to pick like this. I don't lean on the desk unless it's a really heavy lock. I'll sort of free float and hope I hold it still for you. Just so that when a situation arises and I need to pick in the wild, like when his friend says, "Can you unlock me gate of 10 years?" I can do it. This is quite difficult to hold, pull up and keep that core tight and not over tension at the same time. Now because it's a dead core, so there's no spring back on it, if you drop your tension wrench, chances are you won't lose your spot. You just pick up where you left off. It's weird, I set one and then it drops down straight away. I was hoping this would be a nice quick pick, a short video, but it is what it is. I think I've got it. I'm not sure. Got it. Yep. Oh, wow. That was a bit of fun. Very, very nice lock. Thank you very much, Paul Springer, for giving me this one. I mentioned down under the monkey's name, mention Paul Springer, so I'll put both those links to both of those channels in the description below in case you want to check them out. Beautiful, beautiful lock. Still works nicely. Kerry Tony. There you go. A very, very happy 100, Jack. Take care, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.